It is, guys. Please look at my skin. Oh my god, my skin is popping. My skin is popping. Then dip me underway. Hey guys, and welcome back to Kiki Creates. I am Kiki. This is my daughter who's sulking. Say hi.
Hi.
And this is my YouTube channel, child. I decided to start a weekly vlog in the middle of the week because I was still getting over healing from the Joburg situation from last week. And now I'm deciding to start this vlog because I'm going to be doing a lot this weekend, but in the house. I'm not going out, I'm not doing anything. I'm going to be organizing my pantry, I'm going to be organizing my cupboard, getting groceries, which I'm going to do today, and packing them and everything. So I thought, let me just shoot that home content and bring you guys along that situation. Hopefully you're going to enjoy it. Let's see. But I have really been neglecting the house, like the pantry and my cupboard and everything. So I just want to make sure that all of those things are in order so that I can think straight. You think straight when things are in order. So right now I'm going to walk to the stores because I need to get a little bit of exercise in. Walk to the stores, and then when I've got a lot of bags, I'll then Uber back because I can't carry that. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to take you guys along as I grocery shop, come back, pack the groceries, and if I still have energy, I'll do the pantry. If not, it will fall somewhere in the weekend. Anyway, let's not make this intro long. Let's go into it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do all the right things to make sure that our family grows and we get more viewers and. Love you guys. Mwah.
Till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, deep, 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 I wanna play deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Deep, 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 I wanna play. Deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain.
Hey sweeties, so just came back from the shop. Well, not just came back. Came back, ate, watched 2 episodes of my favorite series, and now was it two? No, it was one and a half, and now I have to pack all of that. So let's do that.
Reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for your flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream forever, breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain, until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep.
Okay, like I told you guys, my pantry is a complete mess. So now I'm gonna try and take all of this stuff out and just clean it out and then repack. It's gonna be missions because look what, it's still messy that side, but it's gonna be clean. So let's go.
Rock right up to the side of my mountain, until you reach.
Okay, so we are clean. Now time to start packing.
Peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream forever, breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep,
Okay, so this is what we have when I'm done. I decided to make this everything that we need for breakfast. So coffee, tea, and everything's behind there. Our apple cider vinegar is here because we have that every morning. My daughter's porridge and oats, and then honey, peanut butter just for bread when she wants bread. And then I made the second one. Don't mind this is medicine. Cooking essentials. So diced tomatoes, oil, rice, flour, everything that we need for cooking. And then I made this one just for extras. So the extra pineapple, the lemon, all the extras that don't have space, I put them in there. And then this is the big stuff. So just all the vegetables that are in big stuff, I just put them in here. And so that is what we have for now. I am very cognizant of the fact that I still need a bunch of these container stuff for other stuff. So like for my lentils and whatever other dry foods that I have, I'm definitely, why is it not focusing? I'm definitely going to get more of that. But for now, this will work. It's organized. We're happy. And obviously I cleaned the kitchen because that had to be done. But my next focus, I'm probably going to do it tomorrow, is the spice cabinet. So I have to, so if you guys remember from my other, was it a Pep Home haul, I bought these babies, but I never labeled them. I never did anything. So what I'm going to do this weekend is I'm going to organize them, put all the spices that I do have in there, and then label them so that so all of these are just spices that have to be poured into stuff. Label them and then we'll be good to. And then another cupboard that needs attention is this one. So Jesus H Christ, I really want to get more of these so that I can pack stuff neatly, but like maybe bigger ones to try and slot these things in, and then just pack everything neatly and make sure that it's not jumbled and it's easy to reach. So that is also something that I'm going to do this weekend. So I think that's all the organizing I'm going to do for today. I'm a bit exhausted. I want to watch more episodes of my stuff. I want to do my schoolwork. So I'm definitely going to end it there for today and then do some more tomorrow. I don't know if I want to do a cook with me with you guys. That might make this video a little bit too lengthy. But if I do, I'll definitely add it. I'm thinking of making something yummy today, but we'll see. Anyway, see you tomorrow. I like coffees. You need to hurry. Deep end, deep, deep end. I wanna deep, deep end, deep, deep end, deep, deep end. Right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, Hey, sweeties. So that brings us to the end of that video. Can I tell you guys how long it actually took me to do all of those house chores? Because firstly, I'm not very domesticated. I'm not. I honestly wish that I could have someone do all of those things for me, but yeah, I have to do them. And because I've got so many other things to do that I've been procrastinating doing, but it is what it is. Guys, please look at my skin. Oh my God. My skin is popping. My skin is popping. Anyway, yeah. That's the end of that. Hope you guys enjoyed that. It's not much, but I mean, I'm just trying to make sure that I've got as much content as I can out, so we can grow and recruit more people and etc. So that's it on that. I don't have much to say other than thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for the love. Please like, please comment, please subscribe, and hopefully the family grows. You know what I'm saying? Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye.